Hi, today I'm going to be reviewing this Monster wireless speaker. This is the front of the box. Bluetooth wireless speaker. Okay, let's get it open. It's huge. Comes with a instruction guide, charger cables, look at this thing. I can't even get it in the whole thing. Look how big this thing is. It's about 6 pounds. Speaker on that side, speaker on that side. Up here where it says Pure Monster Sound, open this thing up. And it's your charger. You can even put a microphone in there. USB cord, the charger, and even a memory card. Okay. Let's turn this bad boy on and see. Here are the... See how this thing works. Okay, let's see. Let's scan. Well, I'm on a different phone and it thinks that I'm using it, but I'm really not. Monster Adventurer Force is the Bluetooth thing that you want on this one. It's pairing. Let's see, Monster Adventurer Force. Do you want a pair? Yes, I do.
Your device is connected.
Okay, cool beans. All right, let's get, if you hear in the background, my daughter is watching Bluey, and we're gonna do this review. She might be asleep. She's in her swing. She's just a little bitty baby, 4 months old, as you can see why I look like this. All right, so trying to get into my Amazon Music so we can listen to some music on here. This middle part, you can't see. This middle part even looks like a speaker. I'm not sure what it is. All right, give it just a second because it's an old phone. It's my tester, my review tester. Okay. Oh, Van Halen for you. I'm going to turn it down just a little because I do have the baby. I can feel it. But you can also, can you turn it up here? I guess these buttons, let's see what these buttons are for. Oh, the middle one is pause and play. Volume. But in previous ones I've had, it's so cool. I like rock and roll music, if you can't tell. Okay. So in previous other Bluetooth speakers that I've had, the volume also controls like the track shift. So let's see. So it does, and that's cool. Let's see if it'll go back. Okay, I wonder what this button does. What does M mean? Mode. Let's look at the instructions. Maybe it's like super bass. Audio source can be switched by pressing the M button. Sequence as follows: aux in mode, USB in, USB inserted, audio mode, SD mode, Bluetooth mode. Okay. So, this thing is so cool. Okay, so the Monster Adventurer Force wireless Bluetooth speaker. I looked it up on Amazon. It's $80. So I got this for free in exchange for my review. So I think we hit the jackpot here. We love music. We love loud music. We live in the country. We live by a train track, so we need our music loud because the train is crossing, so they blow their horn. So when we are outside, this could be good for the pool. You can even, like I said, plug in a microphone and use it as your speaker, like in a small group setting. So the Monster Bluetooth wireless speaker, good in my book.